Claude will steal the next 3 months of your life if you don't use this prompt. This is a series where I break down how to use Claude cheat codes to get an edge over your competitors. Say you're paying for a software subscription, but you decide you want to build a cheaper version of it. You spend 8 hours a day for the next 6 weeks building this software, and then you realize it's more expensive to upkeep what you built than the software subscription you were already using. And if you'd have used this simple phrase in Claude when you first started designing it, you could have saved yourself the last 3 months. Anytime I have a new idea about a piece of software I want to create, I go into Claude chat and I use this phrase. Assume I'm wrong about the core premise. What am I missing? This forces Claude to assume your baseline assumptions are incorrect and argue against the idea in the first place. For example, I wanted to build a clone of EverWebinar. Now, EverWebinar is about $499 a year. And by the time Claude came back with the plan, it said I was going to spend the next 6 weeks probably working 8 hours a day to build this. And it was going to cost me $50 to $60 a month just to upkeep this service. So instead of spending the next 6 weeks building this, I just stayed with EverWebinar because it was cheaper and I didn't waste the time building something that I didn't need to build. So anytime you come across a situation where you're thinking about making a move in your business, use this phrase and have Claude attack the baseline assumptions of your idea before you waste a bunch of time and money.